Okay, ready, go.
Mommy, open it. Okay. I want to open it.
Okay, do your video.
Okay. Quiet, Mom.
Okay.
No green and blue. Try it. It says it. Oh. More. Nope. A little slide now. Or the horse. Yeah. Giddy.
Hey.
Oh, what's that now? Whoa! Little sign now. Little sign. It's your pretty. Why you will fly? Why Mama? Why no slime? Oh my God!
Oh my God!
Look at that, Mom. Mommy ate a little ball.
Yeah, it's a surprise. What's there? I help you. Let's see.
It's a slime now.
The slime is so glittery. Where did you buy the slime? Where did you buy it?
It's slime, Mom.
Yeah, but where did you buy it?
I'll buy this. I'm gonna buy it.
Yeah, where did you buy it?
Mom.
Where did you buy it?
Store.
Oh, at the horse.
Yeah, you bought it here. Where did you buy it?
You never live happy. And never live that door in it.
No, at the what store?
Door. Mom,
At the 99-cent store.
can I see door?
Yeah.
Watch out, Mommy.
Achoo, Mommy.
Mama, open it. Open it.
I help you only. There. There. It's open.
Oh my God.
Oh my God!
What? What is that?
Oh, the horse.
It's a unicorn.
Show it to the camera.
Go.
Go like this, look.
Falling.
Show him like this so they see.
Okay.
No, to the cameraman.
Okay.
Your unicorn. So you got this sparkly slime with a unicorn.
Oh wow. Mommy, I wanna make some. Good see. And eat it. Okay, Mom.
The slime is so pretty. Look
Mama,
how sparkly.
give me.
You like it?
Oh.
It was this.
Where's the horse?
Crystal slime surprise. And that you could get unicorns or Pegasus. And I believe Luna got the unicorn.
Oh wow. Oh
Is that all for your video?
yeah.
Say subscribe.
Bye.
No.
Bye.
Subscribe. Look here. Subscribe.
Bye.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye.
So.